Apart from the standard wheel dashboard visualization, Iyarn also offers powerful data insights, designed to give you a quick and meaningful overview of your account. With a premium membership, you'll unlock 3 inbuilt insights that help you better manage your data and engagement. First, the account summary. Here, admins can view all essential data in one place, including total members, wheels, and check-in activity, making it easier to monitor and manage their account efficiently. Second, themes and segments insights. This gives admins a deeper understanding of each theme and segment, helping identify trends and highlight areas that may need improvement. And finally, red flag insights. Admins receive instant notifications whenever a member records a score below the set threshold, enabling quick, timely intervention and support. In Iyarn, the wheel dashboard is not customizable. However, the concept of Iyarn Insights is similar to business intelligence tools like Power BI and Tableau, giving you full control over how your data is viewed and analysed. You can choose how to present your data according to your needs and de-identify it to maintain privacy. Contact us today to learn more about how Iyarn Insights can help you turn data into action.